Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So, do you guys have a favorite camera bag, or do you guys have a favorite just bag in general, like brand or whatever? I do, and it is Nomatic. All of my bags are made by Nomatic, whether it's my 15-liter everyday carry bag, a 6-liter sling, or even the 1-liter sling that I use right now, because with this sling on, I really only got access to one pocket. So with what I normally carry, unfortunately I need to have a sling around to carry everything that I need. So a while back, I had a broken zipper and some torn netting on the inside of my 35-liter Peter McKinnon Nomatic camera bag. And I reached out to Nomatic and they said, you know, it's a lifetime warranty. Send it in and, you know, they'll fix it. I'm like, okay, awesome. That's cool. And so today I got back the bag, and to my surprise, they sent me a brand new bag. A brand new bag. That, my friends, is customer service. That, my friends, is taking care of your customer, and that's also how you keep customers in your ecosystem. I mean, I was not expecting that in any way, shape, or form. I thought maybe they'd replace the netting or they would replace the zipper that broke. They sent me a whole new bag, and that is why I love this company so much. This video is not sponsored by them. I wish to God that it was, but still, the fact that they sent me a brand new bag is honestly amazing, and I will never buy any other brand. My 18-liter other camera bag, it's an 18-liter Luma, Peter McKinnon, obviously, and that's just how you take care of your customers. So without further ado, let's unbox this new bag, because when I bought it, I wasn't making YouTube videos and everything like that. Now that I am, you know what? I was going to do a long-term review on the bag because it had really, it's been put through its paces with the number of weddings that I've taken it on. But now that I've got a brand new one, let's unbox this sucker and enjoy every second of that experience, because I know I will be. All right, let's unbox it. All right, so first of all, I have always enjoyed the packaging that they put these bags in. And look at that. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely amazing. And you can tell it's a brand new bag. It's got this on it. So the main compartment, one thing that I've always liked about this bag is that I can just lay it down and open up the main compartment and boom, there it is. And this really is amazing. Like words can't express enough just how happy I am with this. Now this has a lot of really cool features. You can put a lot of stuff in here. And I tend to put a lot of stuff in here. So I carry up to around 5 lenses with me, and a second camera body. And so like I'll have my main body here. I can have my extra lenses here, my flashes. If I'm doing video, I can have my microphones. Now this little section right here, I don't know if you can see, but right here goes all the way down. You can fit a laptop. You could fit a laptop in there. You could also put a tablet in there. I tend to keep my batteries and stuff in these pockets. And then there is a separate section right here for a laptop. And I think this can hold up to a 16-inch laptop. And then you got the quick access for your camera. Now the only problem is it's Velcroed onto that. But I mean, you still have, it re-Velcros back. but I never really used the quick access as much. And then on this side, you have like a little quick pocket here. And the cool part about this is, hopefully you can see, in this pocket, you've got this little magnetic divider. So you can either have something hidden, so you can use this for everything else, and then you can have something hidden back here if you want to hide your wallet, your keys. I normally keep my AirTag in that section. And then it just magnetically closes, and so when you open it up, it looks like there's only one pocket, not a divider with two. And you open this guy up. And then you have all this other storage. This is really designed for like clothes and travel, things like that. Normally what I'll put in here is my my harnesses, if I'm using the harness that day for both cameras, or if I'm just going to have a single camera strap, I'll put that in here. So all my external kind of camera stuff, like the straps and stuff like that, I always put in this part of the bag right here. And I think what this does, yeah, this expands that whole clothes area, but I never really use that. And then you've got this here, it's magnetic, so you can carry a tripod in here or a water bottle. Normally I have a tripod in there. So, and then this I never really used. I always took this off. Never really used this. I mean, it's not bad to have. I just never used it. So I'll probably take this part off. I never took this on like hikes. But these straps are super comfortable. I always enjoyed wearing them. And so this is kind of a quick unboxing. And yeah, now I get to organize it all over again. All right, guys, so hopefully you liked that very quick unboxing. I will do a follow-up video that shows how I put my camera gear in there and stuff like that. I do have to take most of the dividers out and kind of just reorganize it so that it fits everything that I need. But on a wedding day, when I am taking all of my stuff, that's the bag that I'm taking. If I'm doing a smaller shoot or something like that, you know, I'm going to take the Luma bag because it's smaller, lighter, and I don't need to take all that extra gear with me. But if I'm doing a full day, big job, that 35-liter bag is the one that I'm taking. The 18-liter is basically my everyday bag. And I'm excited to reorganize it, get it the way that I like it, and everything like that. And if you guys are looking for a camera bag, if you're looking for a bag in general, they make really, really high quality bags. I was about to show you my 15-liter everyday bag, but it doesn't matter. Just trust me. Great customer service, great products. There's nothing really bad that I can say about them. And I always try to be as objective as humanly possible. And there's nothing bad that I can say. Are their bags a little bit more expensive? Yes, they are. They're not cheap. But given the customer service, the options on the bags, what they have, what they sell, to me it's worth it. So hopefully you like this video. Go check out Nomatic. I wish I had an affiliate link to give you guys, but I don't. But regardless, go check out their stuff. I'm a huge advocate for them, and I'll always will be. Hopefully you like this video. Please hit that like button, smash that notification button so you subscribe. We've been gradually increasing our subscribers, and I greatly appreciate it. every subscription really, really helps, and every view really, really helps. So I appreciate you guys, those that have been watching and that hopefully do keep watching my videos. It really means a lot to me, and I really, really do appreciate it. I know this channel kind of is a mixed bag of content, but really I try to keep it as real as possible because that mixed bag is my life. I am literally a mixed bag. I do so many different things. I am kind of a jack of all trades, a master of nothing, but the things that I'm a jack of all trades with, I am pretty darn good at. Things that I'm learning, I'm trying to become really, really good at. And yeah, so I appreciate everything, you guys, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Later all.